everybody, welcome back. Today we are here to unbox our March Golden Clover Spring box. This box will invite spring into your bath, sanctuary, and lavish you with a full dose of self-care. We have collected all the beautiful scents of spring and packed them into this box just for you. So let's get into it and see what we have this month. So first we have the Golden Spring Artisan soap from Bath Blessing, and the aromatherapeutic scents in this soap are known to lift the mood and bring the outdoors in. This smells so beautiful, and also look at the colors. I love that gorgeous swirl of green in it. This is the perfect soap if you're looking to refresh your guest bathroom or your personal bathroom and you want to give it a touch of spring. This is the soap to use. Next we have the Argan and Marula Body Oil Beauty Secret, which contains a combination of 4 valuable natural oils which intensively nourish the skin and maintain the skin's moisture levels. This is a fabulous brand, and also side note, I showed this to my mom and she's like, oh my gosh, I know them, I've been using them for years. So this is tried and tested, at least from my mom. And this oil is such good quality. Even when you just open it and give it a smell, it smells just so luxurious. Next we have the CariBBrew Moisturizing 2-in-1 Body Butter and Coffee Scrub. If you love coffee, this smells like the best cup of coffee you have ever had. This is the first scrub to combine body butter with a coffee scrub, and it has a delicious coconut rum scent. So it smells like coffee with coconut milk. So if you're someone who loves coconut milk in your coffees, oh my goodness, this is like made for you. And it's so nourishing, even when I was just sampling it in the video where you're seeing right now. That little patch of skin is so much more hydrated and moisturized than the rest of my arm. It's really, really high quality. And next we have the Masquerade Detox Diva Facial Sheet Mask, which will exfoliate your skin and detoxify it with green tea, lemon, and cactus. Face masks are so refreshing, especially now that it's getting into hopefully warmer weather. I'm in Canada, so it's not warm here, but hopefully where you are, it's much nicer. And they're the perfect little treat for yourself. If you've had a really busy day and you only have like 15 minutes to pamper yourself, definitely use this. And pro tip, after you put it on your face, leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Then after you take it off, massage the rest of the solution that's on your face into your skin, and then apply a facial moisturizer on top, and that will help to lock in all the goodness from the mask and make sure your skin benefits the absolute most. And this month's special bath bombs are a Golden Clover Bath Bomb and a surprise bonus bomb. So you guys need to wait and see what scent it will be when your box arrives. But I'll just give you a hint, and that hint is that it smells amazing. And if you are new to our box, we also have a shower option. So when you're subscribed, you can choose either a full bath, a full shower option, or mix and match. So sometimes you get shower products, sometimes you get bath products. So if you opted for the shower option or the mix and match, the shower steamers that we have this month are green clover, field, and lemongrass. And also, fun fact, these shower steamers can be used as mini bath bombs. So if you're traveling and you don't have a bath at home, but wherever you're going has a bath, you can use one of these and just pop it in the bath and enjoy. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you love your box this month. Make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me what product you're most looking forward to using this month. For me, it is definitely the coffee scrub because I love coffee. It is a necessary item in my everyday life. So if I could also use it on my skin, that is just another bonus for me. And if you received last month's box, leave a comment down below and tell us what your favorite product was from that month. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next month. Bye!